How to substitute the players on Fantasy Premier League. Hey guys, and welcome back. If you do not know how to change or substitute your players, the steps are quite simple. First of all, make sure you have the latest version of the application and log in into it. Go to the fantasy page and then click on Pick Team. Here you will see all the members of your team. To substitute a player, just tap on the player name and you have a substitute button. Tap on the substitute button and it'll give you the options to substitute with. Tap on the one that you want and then your team is substituted. Now if you want to confirm and change the team or you want to save it, tap on confirm button on the top right and you're good to go. And this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And in case of any queries, do not hesitate to drop the comment. Thank you and keep watching.